Hi there, HuggleBerries. It's HuggleBerry Toys Surprise, and we've got a very special delivery of Sesame Street toys. It's a big box full of toys from Amazon. Wow! Pretty cool. I wonder what toys are inside. Let's open it up and find out. Okay, HuggleBerries, let's open up the box. I see some pretty cool toys. We have a Sesame Street plush, and this is Big Bird. He's got orange and pink feet. He's all fluffy and soft with his yellow feathers and a nice happy face. Big Bird. Awesome. It looks like Sesame Street figures. Ooh, we've got a 5-set collector's pack of Sesame Street figurines. It says Cute Collection. And this is from Play School Friends. And we've got Elmo, Cookie Monster, Abby Cadabby, Oscar the Grouch, and Grover. A very nice collectible set. We've got another plush. And this is the adorable and quite comical Grover. He can do a little dance. He's dancing. Grover is blue. He's got fluffy, soft fur, a big pink nose, and you can put your finger in his mouth. And that is our plush Grover. Oh no, Big Bird fell. Hey, he's got a fluffy tail. Big Bird, what's in the box? I don't know. Looks like we've got some play sets. Watch out, Grover. This is Discover 1, 2, 3s with Cookie Monster play set for ages 2 to 4. 10 numbers to find and reveal. Wow. Looks like there's a slide. There's Ernie and Bert. And hey, Elmo and a Cookie Monster figurine. There's Grover and Cookie Monster. And there's our play set. It's Hooper's store. We've got Elmo, and he's at the cash register. There's Hooper's store. And Cookie Monster has a very special red lens that reveals numbers throughout Hooper's store. That's going to be lots of fun. There's Big Bird and Elmo. And that's Hooper's store. Discover 1, 2, 3s with Cookie Monster play set. I like it. And we've got another plush, and this is Abby Cadabby. She's all pink. She's got her fairy wings, her pigtails, and she can fly, fly, fly. That's Abby Cadabby. We've got one more Sesame Street toy deep down in our box. Let's go find it. Here's our plush characters. Hooper's Store, our collectible 5 set. Big Bird. Looks like he's having a snooze. He's taking a nap. And there it is. A very big play set. Okay, let's get it out. Oh, it's big and heavy. And from Sesame Street, we have our Discover ABCs with Elmo playset. Ernie, Cookie Monster, Oscar the Grouch. There's Big Bird. And it comes with an Elmo figurine. And this up here spins. Oh wow, we have lots of characters. There's the count. 26 letters to reveal. Find and reveal. And there's our special red lens that lets us see the letters. There's Oscar. Discover ABCs with Elmo playset. And at the other end, we've got Big Bird. And on the back, we have things to open and lift, spin and turn. We get to find our 26 ABC letters, and there's the playset. That's for hours of fun. Thanks for watching HuggleBerry Toys Surprise and Sesame Street. And this was our very special toy delivery of Sesame Street toys from Amazon. This was fun opening our surprise box with our plush characters, Big Bird, Grover, and Abby Cadabby, and our play sets, ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, with Cookie Monster and Elmo. Have a HuggleBerry day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe for more Sesame Street openings.